All right, check out this sleek and impressive voice recorder. If you are needing to record meetings, record yourself talking and leaving memos, this is a great one to have. It's very simple to use and it sounds great too on the recordings. So looking at the actual build of this thing, you have your microphones here on the top, picking up sounds from all the different directions. You have a speaker on the front so you can actually play back stuff just from this unit itself. But it also does come with USB headphones so you can plug this thing in and listen back to your recordings, even scrolling through it with a little remote on the earphones. And you can plug this thing into your computer just like as a flash drive and get those files as well. So you have volume buttons for playback. You also have arrow buttons to navigate through the files. So one of the things that sets this apart from other voice recorders is that it's quick. So when it's on, you can have this set to off on this side switch, and then you can set it up to record, and it will instantly start recording you and listening to everything you're saying. So it's recording right now, and so it's already out there ready to go. And then I could switch it over to SPK, and it will actually start playing back what was just recorded out loud. Listening to everything you're saying. So it's recording right now, and so it's already out there ready to go. And then I could switch it over to SPK and it will actually start playing. Which is really cool and really efficient. Now also there's a menu system on here where you can navigate through. You have recordings and you can navigate through your recordings, but you also have media. So with media, you can go through when you have this connected to your computer, it shows up like a flash drive. You can actually put music on here and listen to media files. You can have it on random. You can also go into last played and system setup. So with system setup, you can go in and you can set your recording format, and you can actually take this thing all the way up to a WAV 1536 kilobytes per second, which is notably better sound recording, but it does take up more space. So it depends on the level of recording you want to get. At the lowest level, it still sounds okay. But if you want to have better, more crisp audio, you take it up to that higher bit rate. Then you can also go to voice activate and you can turn that thing on. So with voice activate, you can set it for a certain level. I think level 5 is the highest. So once you're a certain loudness to the microphone, it'll start recording that. And you can set that thing up as you go. You can have timed recordings. You can turn that on. So you can record in a cycle and you could set a day that it's going to record. Also the start time of that day and then the end time of that day. Double tap the power button as well to like go back in the menu. Also in the menu, you could go to your play mode and you could set repeat on or off. You can go to display settings. You can change the brightness, add a screensaver. You can change the date and time, the language. You could set a password for this thing so that no one can just get on and check it out. And you can format the device or format it back to factory settings. And for this little tiny thing, that's a lot that it can do. So if you are looking for a little voice recorder, this one's really sleek. It looks great and very professional as well. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.